Hello everyone. I went to the Greenlight convention today, or the collectors event, and picked up a few things. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I picked up. Um, let's see. Don't have my stand with me, and I'm in a motel. All right, so they had when you get tickets, you get to either spin and get either an item from Greenlight, some sort of product, or you would get some of the toys, or you can get yourself a green machine. So I picked up a few things here. Here's the Chevy Cruze, sorry for the bad lighting, Chevy Cruze police car that I picked up. Very cool. Pretty sweet. Next I have, if I can just grab it, there it is. Picked up the NYPD Ford Escape. And then, oh, this one has a wheel. And there we go. And then the last loose car, see, these I believe were rejected cars. And then the last one is the Gas Monkey car. This one, I guess, I actually don't know what's wrong with it, but it looks super clean. It's very nice. Really nice that I was able to find a loose one, but it is pretty cool. So here are my packed cars that I purchased. I purchased 5. You get 1 free. Picked up the Crow, the Pontiac GTO. They had 2 of them over there that I seen. One of them I picked up. The other one a guy put back, but I was already on my way out, so I didn't take it. Next is the GTR 2015 police car, which is pretty cool. I had to grab that one. Next is the 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 with a plow on the front. No spreader, but it does have a tow hook in case I want to tow something. Next is the 2016 Chevy Camaro SS. This is the Golf Special exclusive, I believe. Next is another 2016 Chevy Camaro. This one's the SS also. And then last, I picked up another 2016 Chevy Camaro. I believe I have this, so if I do have it, I'm gonna end up opening it. So there is all of my pickups from today's event.